Hello. It's been a while since I've done a product review, but I really am impressed with the deal I got at Walmart. This kit was on clearance for 15 or 16 bucks. Anyway, I had a tire that was running low, and my little air compressor kit, which I've had for over 10 years, it just didn't succeed in filling up the tire. So I really wanted a little compressor replacement. And you find air at a lot of gas stations around. I'm down south currently, but they're either pay, which is a couple bucks a pop, or they don't work, they're broken. And I've found so many broken pay air compressor machines that you just can't depend on that as an option. And it is a lot of peace of mind being on the road and being able to pull out a little 12-volt electric compressor to refill your tire. And this slime I've used before on my bike, and it really works. I mean, this is intended for road tires, but I know how it works, and there's a lot of peace of mind in having this available if I need to use it, because what this does is, excuse me, from the inside of the tire, it's a liquid, it's a goo, and as soon as it gets into the air, it self-clots. So if you have some slime between your fingers, you can see it creates a fiber when exposed to air. It's the first time I was using it, I thought I was dissolving a paper towel, because all these fibers are appearing, and it turns out it wasn't the paper towel. It creates fibers. So the fibers from the inside exposed to air, and they form a clot. Very ingenious, and this stuff works. So oddly enough, this alone was on the shelf for more than the combination of this compressor and the slime. So I got a great deal. I'm not sure what they were thinking. Get the deal if you can today. Have it in your car. Have the peace of mind and the savings of being able to refill a tire for free on the road, or someone else's tire. Can't go wrong. Anyway, it's been a while since I've done a product endorsement or review, but I really feel this was a great deal. I've already refilled the tire that was in question on my vehicle, just going slightly flat. It does have a PSI gauge too, so when you plug in the nozzle, it automatically, in this case, it went up to like about 25, so remaining in my tire was 25 PSI. I pumped it up to 36, so did the job. Thank you, Slime. You're a great product.